On the watch a poor man is many name. Besides, he had no money, no house, and no food. But as was happy, I was going to find something. He said, I will walk this start to the next door. After I saw him, I very old lady called him from across. What way do you want? Has Hans one? Do you want the old lady said? What I want money. You can have money. The old lady said takes the Maggie's ball coat and clip to the top of the tail tree. Go down and you will enter a big row with 300 like the other entrance toward the first door, and you will see a big box. I bought the box seat. I dug with as a big eyes. I guess don't be afraid. I will if you put my balcony on the floor. Take the dog and put it down on the couch in front of the box. Open the box and you will see money. Take some, go door the second door and you will look at the bigger book in the box. Sit down, I dog with as big as organized. Don't be afraid it won't hurt you. Put the dog on icon in front of the box. Open the box and you will see gold. Take some toward the third door. There you will see the big box in the box. Sit a dog with a big exploit. Don't be afraid, friendly. There is a game inside. The box the scientist is Irishman. The size, but what can he do for you? I don't want money or gold worth game. This old lady said, I just want one smell this. In the third room there is a small glass box. My granny is missing. There takes me hand the box in climate I drew and the went to inside and tried. I went down and down and down. The saw 300 lights and the doors. I opened the first door and went into a small room. The on top of a box there was a dog with a big ass and a good dog said has. He remembered the old lady word. He put his fur coat on the floor. They took the dog and put it on the cone in front of the box. I opened the box and I was so excited. He took some money and put it in his the had put the dog back inside box and go to the second room. There on top of a box there is a dog with a big eyes oranges. You are a good dog. Dog has sight. He put the dog in front of the box and opened the box. His eyes suddenly turned yellow like gold. In the box Hans took some gold and put it in his head. He went to the last room. This dog ears were as big as platters. You are a very nice dog. Okay. He said. Hans saw the game in his eyes box soundly. Red, blue, yellow, green, and gold. They took some game and put them on his shoulder. The hair remembered the old lady glass. Case phone in on the floor next to the dog. he climbed into their tree against the stem, more head with heavy gold and games, but she came out of there through the book the old lady called. When she saw it by she did tore it suddenly a rocks it had helped me about to fall and this sort of but she raked out and said, "Did fall did you tear the rock? He called you now. If me has not very friendly. Now I won't give it to you," she asked. The old lady got very angry and her face was so ugly she got on the ground and walking away on the roadside called her name, but said that answered the call to anything. The next when Saint came to the city, he found a very nice room and asked of the best food. The next day he went on and bought beautiful clothes. He was very important and rich person. People thought he suddenly had money. Friends one day suddenly asking him, "Do you know with this princess?" Him princess asked, "And who is he? What he lives?" You can see him answer, "The man why not because he is in a big house and I can leave it there's in only wonder the windows is he have never was ghost or king size no anyone can see why he lives like this sky." And because a clever old man said to the king, "Your daughter will marry a poor man." The king was very angry. He built a big house big with high windows and closed, and the princess in it went to see the princess side and her found the house and went to the door. But the king's servants quickly sent him away. They put on his most expensive clothes and went to this king's house. The king was very angry. "Don't come near my house again," he shouted. "I will shove off your head and put it one haystack. Leave will now and quickly." As his money one day Hal only had two games. Hal left his next room. He found a poor house and lived in it. Has is poor now. No one checks its food. No one cleans his Triswin friend don't invite him to their house. He tries find a treat will try at the dog again, but he can't find it. After I will send uh, no money for what he locked or his room. What he called seal there on the table. He said, "I smell glass book. Mabel can buy your bread with this." He thought, why woman the old man wanted it was glass, but he called this inside it might have gems or gold in it. He tried to open the box, but he hit it once with his and suddenly a dog with as big as an egg appeared in front of him. What do you want?" One asked the dog. "What you want?" Gray has I want money. The dog quickly came back with a bag of money in his mouth. I stopped there. he said, and crowded fresh dog comes will it hit the box once the second dog will come when hit the box again the third dog will come when I hit the box third time she hit the box 1, 2 and the dog with a big eyes organ broke could they hit the box the team 1, 2 there and the dog with eyes big eyes plate of forget games handwrite again he bought beautiful clothes and movies into a big house all his friends I beg why don't you visit as he say where are you has dozen those like this friend he only thinks of I said prison he can never get out he thinks he will never be able to well in the great garden is Munter is that he can only tell to the servant and the old king he has a wife that is not happy one next hand calling sleep suddenly he had an ideal and he got out of bed he took the glass book and it was so the dog came it was beautiful night has said and no one will see ignore the prison was toward the wall in the park I brought him very quickly the dog is back the princess is sleeping on her back her face hot and beautiful set has hooked her up and took her to the garden where is was she was crying what happiness she was great you walking with me in my garden said Hazel the flowers are asleep the garden is carrying the princess am I asleep with the ground under my feet and the sky above my head now the other walls no windows I can hear the sound of the night hour midday well for a long time the light sun star to come up I have to go he say but have did I get her hands told him about the glass box and the gold he hit the box and called the dog good dog she said when it approached you have beautiful eyes take me home I don't when I want to see us thing you for tonics the person and went up to the dog's back and fell asleep the sea the next day the person those remember anything but she fell the friend servant Anna a woman which is just jealous and not needs to wake her she said I wake up the prison it is midday the king is waiting for you she said the prison and she jumped happily out of bed look and Anna it's beautiful the Anna started to dig some tracks this fresh princess always wakes up at 7 but today it's 12 o'clock but princess always said but today he is happy the bottom there for the little princess next town there is a beautiful white flower on the flowers of the princess bedroom but now it flowers in the king garden Anna goes to the king let's wait and see what the king say when he comes out again will follow him hands well in love in the princess he thinks about it all day and all night after the test he called and what he hit the glass book 1, 2 and dog with a big ass orange a bright place take the present to my garden. He said the dog went to present it, but Anna was there to the dog. The present I was in her bag, and Anna followed the dog, stopped at the door of a big house and entered. Anna wrote the letter on the door and went home. Has and the present worked in the grand hands told the story of the old woman and the tree and the three donks and the glass book. She told and princess about her poor mother and about her three brother and their sister and princess lovers. Her story she tells about people. His old man, my father was a great man and a good king. He said, by what my mother that he suddenly changed a was old and dread and said, he saw me in that house now. He is angry about small things. He those man does want to be king. He is one what flowers in her garden. My mother loves with flowers, but now the flowers are always at the red of the morning. Morning sun is starting to light up the sky. The princess said good night to her. She hit the box one, two, and second dog approached with her eyes as big as organs. This dog can see everything. He saw an X at the door and it told us to hush whole of this. Come with me fast and we will write an X on every door on this street and the next the next day. Anna to taking the next story. The king brought Anna and some made two hands straight her. Is the house crying? Anna is not there. Screaming the king. One of the men ran to them. The house is on the road next. Yes, there is a egg on the door. Everyone has an egg on the door. The king was very angry and went home later. They Anna door of another plan. She went to her room and closed the door. She made a smell big and she put a smell with stone in the bag. She made a smell cut in the bottom of the bag and put it in the princess' clothes. Now she said, when the princess come out, the smell stones would fall into the way. We can follow the stones to the house. That night had called the princess again with the glass cats. The walking in the garden dog with eyes as big as plates waiting in front of the house. I want to be a princess, said as I don't want become a princess, said princess. Why ask? And she does the answer, I want to be princess. Yes, because I want to marry you. They sit under a tree and put a glass. I said, because I want to marry you. They sit under a tree and put a glass box on the ground next to her. Don't be prince, she says. I can love a princess. I will be a poor girl and you will be a head. At tea time the dog said, the king and Anna with 100 of their servants came out of the king's house and saw a smell with stone. With stone gloved in the dark and the flooring Then the dog ran to the king's daughter. The king came fast. The dog introduced the run, walking with princess on his back. King Anna and the servant Arvin the at home has it the princess Harry carving. King has dead answered suddenly. The king saw his daughter light saw on the ground next to some beautiful with flowers. So he called spec for a will day. He sighed angrily to heads to wonderful. What culture I will chop off you. He at 12 o'clock tomorrow. The servant took and had to the king's house and sought him in a room house located for the glass case where it was lost. He called the ghost so had remember it was under the door when the sun rose and went to the window and looking outside. He was a fairy tale. He was shall smell chill under him and called him headley. Boy, what do you when created? Boy, will you dress talkers? You placed the boy sat thereon to my house till my servant has the light glass book it's in the garden at under the tire. He want me to take him to the king's. When you bring me textbook, I will give you the points. The boy, this part I will let's come back with the book. Draw it at my call. As the boy, the book and circled him there. He dropped the money at him the door open. Door opened it and the kings entered. They took into the square back in the center of the city. Everyone from the city they waited to see the king standing in the middle of the square with the kitty. Import people around him. In front of us stood a big straw dictator. He wears a long red coat and a tall black hat. Are you ready to say to Wondiker to the Wondiker? Are you ready to say the Wondiker has to agree? Has ended takes out glass case. Are you ready to say the Wondiker to has no agree? And he hit the book as soon as he hit it. The book again 1, 2 and again 1, 2, 3. The dog standing in front of him. Take Wonderstar. I will he said to the wake. Yes, I big as an egg. Throw him into the river. The dog ran with the Wondertor on his back. Take the king's men away hands. Said to the dog with yes, I big I exploded. The dog is getting bigger and bigger. Everyone is waiting with mouth open now. The dog is as big as house. The king men were very scared and ran bearing the prison. Her hands said to the dog with ears as big as orange. Within kings, she was crying in the south wind. The prison and the king stand in front of the hands with the dog behind them. War I had you went to be king. This ask all king. Don't say king. I just want to have wait for it in my garden. And princess happy when princess and you marry with flowers will stay in your garden again. And princess will be happy and high. Marry the present king and queen. Just live in a happy life. For many years they have sick children and very big garden the old king lives his last year. Name is garden is I say of with forest all year round you. Thank you.